starting with Smart Study. Today I'm going to discuss NCERT Solution for Class 7 Geography Social Science Chapter 1 Environment Answer Key. So let's start. Question 1. Answer the following question. Verifies. So let's do it. The first question is, what is an ecosystem? So the answer is all plant, animal and human being. All plant, animal and human being depend on these immediate surrounding. They all are independent on each other. This relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and the surrounding form a ecosystem. Now the second question is, what do you mean by natural environment? So natural environment, the natural environment consider of land, water, air, plant and animal. Thus the natural environment refers to both biotic, plant and animal, and abiotic, land condition that exist on the earth. Next question, third, what are the major components of the environment? So the major components of the environment are natural, land, air, water, living things. Human made, building, park, bridges, road, industries, monuments, etc. And humans, individual, family, community, religion, education, economic, etc. Now the fourth question is, give 4 examples for a human made environment. So the answer is 4 examples for human made environment are building, park, bridges and roads. Now next is, what is the lithosphere? So the answer is the lithosphere, the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rock and mineral and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateaus, plain, valleys, etc. Next question is, which are the 2 major components of the biotic environment? So the answer is plant and animal. Plant and animal are the 2 major components of the biotic environment. The last question is, what is biosphere? So the answer of this question is, the biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, air interact with each other to support life. Thus, plant and animal kingdom together make a biosphere. Example, the living world. Okay. Now the first question is completed. Now we are going to question 2. That is, tick the correct option. So let's do it. The first question is, which is not a natural ecosystem? तो natural ecosystem desert है, but aquarium नहीं है. Forest भी है, but aquarium नहीं. तो answer is B. Which is not a component of the human environment? Human environment, land. A. Which is a human made environment? Human made environment C. और माउंटेन तो है नहीं, तो बच्चा क्या, रोड. तो C is answer. Which is the threatest to the environment? B. Growing population. B. Now the second question is also completed. Let's move on. Third question, that is match the following. So the first is my biosphere surround the earth. So okay, the first is biosphere. So the answer is E. The narrow zone where land, water, air interact with each other. It is called a biosphere. Atmosphere, blanket of the air. Hydrosphere, domains of the water. Then environment are surrounding. Now the third question is also completed. Now we are going to move on the fourth question. That is, give reason. So the first question is, man modify his environment. So the answer is, man modify his environment in the following ways. He cut forest and clean land for agriculture, industrial and habitat. So now the second point is, he tilled land for agriculture. He used the land to build buildings, roads and railway. He used waters. He used air for his survival. He set up industries, factories, etc. He does numerous other activities for his life, making his comfortable. Now the second question is, plant and animal depend on each other. So the answer is, the plant and animal depend on each other in the following ways. First, plant provide food to animal. Second, they in the form of forest provide shelter to wild animal. Now wildlife, the next topic is wildlife adds beauty to the forest. Animal provide manure to the plant for growth. Animal also provide beauty for to the forest. Dead animal also provide human content. Now the now the fourth question is also completed. Now we are going to move on fifth. So I think so. Fifth one is activity, and you can try this activity. And the question: imagine an ideal environment where you would love to live. Draw the picture of your ideal environment. So you can draw by your mind only. And now there is very short answer type questions. If we talk about these questions, these are the notes. If you wanted these the notes, you can comment me. I will give you the PDF in the description box. This is not necessary because this question is not in the book. But if you wanted the note also, you can comment me. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks everyone.